Yeah, shout out to that dude King Beats for coming with another fire-ass beat like he always do. It's that boy still country, real as it gets ENT, bitch. You know it's gonna be a problem, I make the fans fast. Say I act like I'm racist and I hate brothers, like I wear a Klan mask. When the fans ask why you be going in for the fucking kill, I try to impregnate the music biz with that bitch was on a fucking pill. Yeah, holds it down like them brothers on the block did. Know when I get in this bitch, then I'ma kill them like them cops did. Then I'ma take it over, run the world like Barack did. Better pay enough for me to leave rapping, go to acting like The Rock did. Shit, only difference is I do it for the racks though. For that I got a high tolerance, but this tolerant ain't lactose. Coming with that crack though. That's why me they gon' probably hate. They be full of more shit than them bitches. They tryna say that Bill Cosby rape. It happens out of wedlock, bomber clocks, dreadlocks, silencers, red dots, instant kill, headshots. That's why my skills stay sharp as a blade. I made it go and haters. They want me to stop, but I'ma keep pushing like a woman in labor. Boy, my spits be out of this world like they back in space. Fuck with me to get more painful than a dislocated shoulder when they get popped back in place. I come assassinated like your character. Not keeping it real, that's un-American. Like when you telling the terrorists, welcome to America. You wouldn't put on if you was a show full of acts. You get money with snitches. How you hustle in a trap full of rides? You can lose it all because that's a gamble like a casino on a Vegas strip. That opportunity they gave you should have took it like a Vegas trip. And fear, that's how my puppet to me is a man's heart. They ain't gonna like how I stand out like Woody Allen at the Million Man March. That's when you thought it was over. I'm about to go deep in this bitch. Was I right and left stroker? The hottest rapper to ever come from this state. Bitch, Rap Satoka. What?